Today I'm going to show you how to use Bleepify, a powerful AI tool that automatically removes profanity from your videos, streamlining content creation and ensuring family-friendly material. Here's a breakdown on how you can use it effectively. Visit the Bleepify website or install the software on your computer. Once installed, open Bleepify and upload the video file you want to clean. Bleepify allows you to choose from muting profanities or replacing them with a bleep sound. Choose your preferred method. Choose the words you want to bleep, and hit the bleep it button to let the AI scan your video. It will detect and remove any offensive language almost instantly. Once done, you can save the edited video to your device. Always have an unedited version of your video in case you need to revert or make different edits. If your audience prefers humor, using a bleep may work better than muting entirely. Although Bleepify is highly accurate, ensure clarity of speech in your videos for better detection. Make sure your app is updated for optimal performance, as older versions may slow down processing. Tools like Clean Voice AI and Bleep Censor AI also offer similar features but may cater better for specific needs like removing filler words or stutters. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.